here's one I have not had the pleasure of taking pictures of, doing a video, going around a car like this. Wow, incredible. 2012 Audi R8. And now this is the big boy. This is a V10 5.2 liter. Designed from Audi's race team. Very high-end performance car and low miles. And you can get it here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular car, a little over 12,000 miles on it. That 5.2 liter V10 is paired up with a 6-speed R-tronic sequential automatic in it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the inside of this car, underside, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Particular color on this car is the Phantom Black Pearl. Black roof car. Also has black leather with red stitching, and also has enhanced black leather package on the inside. You can see it's a beauty. Particular car was brought to us by a good customer who is a car nut. There's no doubt about that. We have sold some other vehicles from him. He has a wide variety of them. Likes to enjoy them, drive them some, and he'll move on to another one. Take a look at this interior. Interior's like new. This car, very nice shape overall. Adult owned and driven, well taken care of. Tires have been replaced due to age. It's riding on Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They were replaced in 2016, I believe the date code was on those. Just a few years old. Audi dealer recently performed a coolant flush, oil change, brake fluid flush, replaced the battery, and again, due to the customer requesting it because of age, riding on the 19-inch alloy wheels. As you can see on the side here, it also has a carbon fiber Signa side blades, and exterior side molding on the mirrors are carbon fiber. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. You'll want to double check with your sales associate when you call in to inquire about it, though, for sure. And once again, still pictures. You want to see the underside, engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can see going around this car, it is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, adult owned and driven, well taken care of. Recent service work has been done. This car is ready to go. Alright, let's do a little check out of the interior of this one. You see more carbon fiber added on the interior and the doors. Of course, all your power features. If you're looking at one of these, you're definitely going to know more about this car than I am from your research. I just want to show you around it, show you what kind of condition it is in. A little history on the car. We'll start it up, pop the rear hatch for you, let you take a look at the engine bay, let you hear it run. Alright. Check out the exact miles also. Incredible sounding cars. Miles right down here in the bottom right, 12,064. No light or anything indicated on the dash. All that is the seatbelt light, and I have the parking brake on. So this transmission, you want to use that parking brake, the car can still roll. Alright, so a little over 12,000 miles. You see here's your leather package inside as far as dash, center console. Stereo system, navigation, of course down here, heated seats, electronic climate control. Alright. Pop this rear hatch lets you take a look at the engine bay. I'm sure everybody wants to see that.
If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
Here's where all the magic is, that V10. And again, this is the big boy. 5.2 liter. This is a true 200 mile per hour car. I believe it was rated at 199. A lot of carbon fiber effects back here too. And again, that recent service done by an Audi dealer. So again, this car is ready to roll. So there you have it. Looking for a supercar and you're in the market for an Audi R8, give us a call on this one. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. This car, we do consider trades on it. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation and double check as far as the extended warranty with a sales consultant when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.